In this video, I will explain exactly what the underlying problem is and why you are not able to lose weight and correct the underlying biochemical abnormality. Not losing weight is a sign of health. If someone is unhealthy, he or she would start losing weight. The person will not feel like eating. He or she will not be able to digest it properly, and the person will lose weight. If you feel hungry, if you feel like eating, and if you enjoy the food, that means that you are healthy and it's a good thing. Having said that, you need to lose weight if you are overweight. That is because while you became overweight, you developed a kind of biochemical abnormality inside your body. As biochemistry is the foundation of life, and as this biochemical abnormality deals with a foundational mechanism of life, that is energy storage and utilization, it makes all the organs in the body to function not properly. And that is the reason why obesity is associated with diabetes, high blood pressure, ischemic heart disease, stroke, PCOD, infections like COVID-19, and sexual dysfunction, just to name a few. This abnormality, in conjunction with other factors, leads to osteoarthritis of the knees, osteoarthritis of the shoulder joints, back pain, and neck pain, with much pain, suffering, limitation of activities, and of course, a healthcare expense. This is There is another major side effect produced by this biochemical derangement, that is, in addition to the damage to the organs, it causes the body not able to burn the fat as much as it should. When this ability to burn the fat is compromised, both the body and mind work in unison to make sure that you eat enough number of times, and you indulge in occasional binge eating so that you do not lose weight. The food, especially that releases glucose in the bloodstream quickly, what we call high glycemic index food, has a very satisfying and relaxing effect. This is a natural phenomenon. This is the way the body is built. How frequently and how much you need to use that effect is the matter of how we were trained or how we trained ourselves since childhood. How frequently and how much we need to use tea, coffee, sugar, and alcohol also is a matter of how we have trained ourselves unconsciously. By training, I mean training both body and the mind. The good news is that the biochemistry of the body can be repaired and the mind can be retrained. As a matter of fact, the biochemistry can be repaired faster than any other system or organ in the body. The bottom line is that maintaining the ability to burn fat is the fundamental key to health. If you do that, you may remain plump, gorgeous, or slightly overweight, whatever you call it. You can still remain healthy, live long, and be less likely to suffer from any disease. Even if your weight is normal, or when it becomes normal, you should always maintain this ability to lose weight. All the people who you see that have normal weight do put weight on and off, but they possess the ability to burn fat and lose weight whenever they want. And more conscious they are, as soon as they put on weight, even a little bit of a weight, they eat less, exercise more, and correct the weight immediately because they don't have the underlying abnormality. I have stayed within 2 or 3 pounds of my weight for last 2 years after losing 20 pounds 2 years ago. If you have put on more than 10 or 20 pounds, you need to regain that ability to lose weight before the body gets used to it, meaning before the body's ability to lose weight is lost.